Hey, I want to say Happy Father's Day to my father who passed away, transcended. Um, ain't got nothing but love for you. And Happy Father's Day to any other father who is absolutely doing the best that they can to make this life be as important as it can be to your children and to other people. So sex is definitely not better than Father's Day. It's not. So um, I want to thank God again for allowing me an opportunity to have a platform just to speak my piece and say what I want to say. I'm getting more serious about this stuff, even though I talk about these the elephant in the room type of deal and bring issues to the table that everybody already know about. There's nothing new about what I'm doing. Just a fresh reminder, somewhat. But today is Father's Day, and to whoever gets a chance to celebrate it or who celebrates it, I wish you the best. I know there are females that operate and carry some of the characteristics that are necessary for a father, and they may tote some bitterness with them today, and are not willing or open to the idea from a stiff neck standpoint to celebrate the man who you had relations with and is the father of your children or child. I understand that. So if we can get rid of the hurt and just try and focus and concentrate on some of the positive, maybe we can make strides to make this a better world. Word to Chris Brown. Ain't got nothing but love for y'all. Much respect. Happy Father's Day.